Today is eighth exercise. Up to last week you covered the seventh exercise. Okay, last exercise is combination of solids 1. Okay, now we are going to discuss combination of solids 2, eighth exercise. Number 10. Okay, so last exercise, let me open that question. Okay, I hope everyone understood that concept for exercise number 7. Okay, you have to use maximum the
This
Boolean
call is
operation.
now being recorded.
You have to use only Boolean operation. So in that first question we had used for drawing one rectangle, okay, 50 cross 60 in top view or front view, whatever for you convenient you can try it. Then extrude command you can use it. Then draw this triangular prism. Then extrude. Then using union command. Okay, using union command, join together. Okay, that is first question. Second question, as per dimensions. Okay, as per dimensions, you have to draw this pulley. Okay, so the dimensions everything given. You can start from any one corner. Okay, so draw the dimension. With respect to this axis, you have to revolve. Okay, the command we used only this is only the line command only for drawing this object. Then using join all the command convert into single object. Then revolve. Okay, do the revolve for 360 180 based on the question diagram. Okay, that is the second question. Then third question. So you have to start from anywhere. Okay, better you can start with this as a front view. Okay, so drawing profile. Okay, for draw one circle, then trim into half, then draw this line. Then using fillet option, 0.5 radius, you can do this one. The next offset option for 1 mm offset, you can do this profile. Okay, then join together, join the edge corners. Then using the extrude command, you can convert into some 3D object. Okay, so that is the question number 3. Then fourth question you could draw. Okay, for this profile, here you can try any view. Start bottom for better. Start from left side. Okay, so this is the left side. So normally this direction. Okay, that is this direction is showing the front view. This will indicate is a left side view. Okay, so better you can draw the left side view. Draw this L channel profile. Okay, then extrude. In top view, draw this rectangle 25 cross 20, extrude up to 20 mm, then remove it. Okay, for that option you use this subtract. Okay, in Boolean operation you use this subtract. Okay, for if you are drawing left side view, you have to use this, draw this profile, then extrude option, draw this top profile, draw extrude option, then you have to use the subtract. Okay, so main Boolean operation subtract you are using. But if you are drawing in top view, okay, suppose I am taking this profile rectangle, the 80 cross 50, then I am going to use that you have to use 2. Okay, okay, sorry, one is enough. Okay, there also maybe two, one is enough. Okay, one Boolean is enough. Okay, so neglect this rectangle 20 cross 20, this one like that. Draw only this profile. Then with this cut section, draw then top view, no problem. So you have to extrude up to 20 mm. Then in any side view or else in front view, you can take it, draw this rectangle in this position. Then joint, that is nothing but union operation to do. Okay, so for top you can do only union operation. In left side you draw only subtract. Okay, in Boolean operation. Okay, then if you draw in the front you have to do both. Union also you have to do as well as subtract also you do. Okay, so you are taking this one, draw the rectangle, extrude. For the, here the portion you are removing, the you have to subtract. For this portion you have to draw and union. Okay, so this one till now few people have to submit. Okay, so kindly anyway, that is if you don't want mark me, that in your hand only, whatever you want. Then this is an extra problem. Okay, you have to practice. Maybe in exam also maybe you'll ask this like problem also. Okay, maybe. So you can practice all the problems whatever you given. That will be helpful for your final exam. For this question, that is extra problem for the question. So here you take this front view. Okay, take front view also. Or if you take this front view means you cannot able to draw this one. Okay, better you can draw the semicircle. Okay, so draw this profile. Draw this profile. Okay, then extrude. You no need to remove the hole. Okay, automatically hole is done. You can draw a hole also, then extrude. Okay, that both is happen. Or else after trying only this profile, extrude, then remove the whole, like using subtract. That is one option. Then you draw the bottom profile, then extrude, then we can use the union option. Okay, for this problem. For this problem, either you can take it from top view of front. Okay, so anyone you can take it. But here you do maximum two times. Okay, for subtract union on the maximum more than two times you have to. Okay, so for that case, you have to start from which view power better you can start. Okay, for example, this side view. Okay, so this side means you draw this L channel profile, then extrude. Then in this side view, you draw this profile, remove, subtract. Then top view, you draw the circle, remove, subtract. Then this one, your portion already you have to remove. Okay, that's like this you have to do for this profile. Okay, kindly practice. Okay, because of in exam maximum only 3 hours. This exam, so you have to complete all the questions within the exam. So, but okay, so we have to kindly practice the main. For seventh question, okay, so either you can start this side view, draw this profile, extrude up to this length. Okay, so here only to worry about. Here you can join also. Draw only this length profile. Similarly, draw this length profile, then draw in between. Then using the union option, join together. Okay, that is the seventh question. Okay, so maximum using only boolean of comments, union and subtract. Okay, intersection are not used. Then remaining additions, extrude, maximum using extrude option here. Okay, that is a last week discussion. So still 6 more people yet to submit. Naman, Mugundan, Udayriti, Priyanshu, Shubham. Then what happened this well? Okay, you kindly submit it today or tomorrow maximum. Okay. Then come to today's week. It's number 8. So before that, I'll show that PPT. Okay. So here, second combination of solids 2. Okay, previous week we discussed a combination of solids 1. Now we're going to discuss combination of solids 2. Okay, same the solid applications only. I'll go to directly commands. So what are the commands you're going to use for this week? Sweep command. Okay, just remember the command's name. Okay, sweep. So that will be converting into. Okay, that will be converting into 2D path into 3D path profile. Okay, so you can using sweep any object, okay, rectangle object or any rectangle profile object or circle profile, you can use it. Okay, so I show the diagram and you may understand that. What's the purpose of sweep? Okay, so like this will be the spring. If you draw only line diagram, you draw only line diagram, then if you draw the sweep converting into some 3D like this. Okay, like a spring. Okay, or you can using the thickness. Okay, thickness or circle diameter of spring, you can draw it using sweep option. You can do the convert into 3D profile. Okay, that is a command for sweep. So that level I'll draw it explain in AutoCAD. Above below that extrude options. Okay. Then the loft command. Okay, that also we are going to discuss. So this is loft command. So it makes a solid surface between the several cross section. Suppose so take your shoe. Okay, that you have draw the different section you have to draw. So loft command can create a new solid or surface to be specifying a series of cross section. Okay, I'll show the diagram like this. Okay, so first you draw any okay, maybe I'm going to take a shoe means up to here one profile, then thickness. Okay, so that will be going along with the slant. Okay, taper. So if this is same means okay, so this will be the state one. So this position is okay, the position is changed means according to that, okay, the taper will be formed. Okay, that is purpose of explain in AutoCAD. Then shell command. So that will be used to converting 3D solid into hollow shell. Okay, so like yeah, suppose the like you draw initially, then we are going to convert into like this plate. Okay, so that means you can using the shell option, the wall thickness, based on the wall thickness, that will be converted. Okay, that is the purpose of shell command. Okay, so that is also available in AutoCAD. Okay. Okay, this various. So this is your first question, ba. You draw this profile in a first question. Okay. Before that, we are going to drawing this one. I'll explain the commands. Okay, so mainly sweep is shell, laugh. Okay, the three commands we are going to discuss mainly today. Okay, so in AutoCAD, same as usually, you do the units. Okay, so you have to set the primary steps. Okay, then three told now. So sweep. First, we will discuss the sweep. Okay, so that will be available below the extrude option. Okay, this option sweep. Okay, so here the box under the box option this is under used for solids 1 2. Okay, for cylinder, box, cones, sphere, pyramid, and all used RS. Now extrude, maximum discussed extrude. Then revolve command we discussed it last week. Okay, that is the second question. We did the revolve command. Now we are going to see sweep and loft, then shell option. Okay, first we'll discuss the sweep. Okay, what is the purpose of sweep? That's shown now. See that. That will be also showing the convert. Okay, so creating 3D solid or surface by sweeping a 2D or 3D curve along the path. Okay, so that is the purpose of sweep. Okay, you can create. Okay, see for example, I draw one simple line. Okay, I draw one simple line. Okay, so I'm going to, this is in 2D. Okay, this is in 2D, but the same line I'm going to convert it into rod. Okay, like one rod. Okay, for that, okay, the rod diameter you can take it as a varies. Okay, will vary. So I'm going to take it some less diameter. Okay, like a rod. Okay, see, better for my convenience, I'm going to convert it into some 3D. Okay, so in isometric view. So I'm going to draw one circle. Based on the circle, okay, suppose I'm going to only do about the direction. Okay, I'm going to draw circle into some 4 or 5. Okay, so based on this, you can draw. So I'm going to draw some 5 mm diameter. Now that diameter should be along passing through this line, converting into some rod. Okay, for that you can using the sweep. Okay, go to sweep. Select object to sweep. Okay, which object you have to do the sweep. Okay, select object, press enter, then select the sorry. First you select this object. Circle is our subject now, so first you select. You can see that. Select object. This is your object. Okay, select object to sweep. Press enter. Then you can select the path. Okay, so this is my path. Okay, this is my path. So just to click here. Now see, according to the diameter, that will be converting into like this. Converting into one rod. Okay, whatever the diameter of the circle. Okay, so that will be converting into the rod. Okay, so this is why I did only for line. Suppose in the question also they given us a spring shape. Okay, see that your question you have to same you have to draw the 4 questions for this week. Sorry, for 4 questions. This extra problem. Okay, the first question only the diagram is important. Okay, so here also you can only sweep count only, but how to draw this profile that is only important for first question. Okay, remaining is easy only. The second question using this helix. Okay, the command already we discussed helix. You can draw this profile. For example, see. Front view, but I going to take it as a top view. Okay, command you can use it helix. Helix, center point, base radius. Okay, so I'm giving some convenient one. Okay, my convenient one I'm giving. I get 15. Top. Okay, suppose you have various springs. Okay, you have various spring. Both will be same, means you can using the helix. Okay, so they're going to same. Okay, top and bottom should be same, similar thing. Okay, so both top radius also 15, bottom radius also 15. The height I'm going to give about 50. Okay, 50. Now see nice symmetric view. Okay, like this maybe will be okay. So you get, for suppose we want to reduce the thickness, further you can using that distance. Okay, height. Distance I'm making. Suppose I'm going making here also sweep. Okay. Remember for drawing this path sweep. Okay, so the circle, whatever choosing circle diameter should not cross this slant. Okay, this corner. Okay, so whether you can using the better small amount diameter. Okay, so I'm using my own dimensions. Okay, this. Okay, somewhat 3. Okay, now we're going to using the same sweep option. Select object to sweep. Okay, this my circle is my object to sweep it. Press enter. Then path. This is the path. Okay, see, easy. Okay, simple command for the purpose of sweep. Okay, so you draw one dimensions. Okay, you draw for the dimension right. So this is the option not only for circle. Okay, see, I'll draw one more profile. Here you can I draw the circle is profile sweep. Now I'm going to draw some other. Okay, see that again. Helix, any center point. So radius I'm going to take sub. Okay, top radius. Okay, so 50 I'm taking. Okay, bottom radius I'm going to take 5. So number of tans you can give. Okay, so I told height, so you can tan, the two stars you can tan. So number of tans I'm going to give. Here I given standard 3, so I'm going to give some increase. Okay, so I'm giving 50. Okay. So here I didn't vary the height. Okay, height will be how much 0. So now see it in isometric view. Okay, the height will be automatically taking in constant. I'll draw one more time. I'm going to draw, for example, I'm going to draw some mosquito coil. Okay, see there. Helix. My own dimensions. Okay, helix. Center point. So it takes a form of 50. Top radius is you can take it as to 5. Then height is 1. Then number of turns I'm going to give 50. Okay. Now see in isometric view. Okay. So like this. Okay. Like this is the number of times I will vary. Okay. Whatever I am saying. Okay. Here I'm going to say taking some. Now I'll explain one more time circle. Then I'll move to the rectangle path. Okay. See. But here make sure again repeating. See, suppose for example drawing the bigger circle. Okay. Don't come to sweep. See, I'm going to draw some because like the circle. Okay, don't go to sweep. See, for example, because of this path is touching with another path. Na. Why I am don't sweep means okay, the circle diameter will be common to all the lines. Okay, but they will be touching together. So sweep don't happen. See, sweep. Select object. This is my object. Enter. This is the path. Now read again command. What will be showing? See, unable to sweep. Okay, unable to sweep. Okay, so the diameter is very big. Okay, that's why not able to unable to sweep. Okay, see. Now I am going to say kindly understand the diameter of this one. Okay, that will be passing through here, see the center. Okay, so it should not touch with the another lines. Okay, so according to that, you can choose the diameter. Okay, this much. Okay, a little bit big. Then again, go to the sweep, select object, enter, then path. See, like this happen. Okay, so this I did only circle. Okay, now I'm same thing. I'm going to draw triangle means, sorry, rectangle means that will be like a mosquito curve. So I'll try that also. Okay, instead of drawing the circle, I draw one rectangle profile, very smaller one. That also I understand the smaller one. Okay, like this. This is fine. Okay, now again go to the sweep. This is my object. Enter. Select this path. See, okay, like a mosquito coil. Suppose if we given tan height is 0 means okay, we'll be getting straight. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is a purpose of sweep. Okay, so with the help of sweep command, kindly you may able to complete this question. Okay,
Sir,
dimension.
in the second question A part, will you give the dimensions like
No. That's what I am telling. The dimension you take it one. Okay, I want like this shape. Any one spring your own dimension. But remaining question they give the dimension. Okay, so here this one they can transfer dimension. For this second question A part, you can draw your own dimension using helix option. Number of times
okay,
they
sir.
can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count it or you can give more or less. But I want to profile like this. Okay, top radius as well bottom radius should be same. Then number of times they given, then I had tan between height, so that will vary. So try for like this shape in your AutoCAD. Okay, using your own dimensions. Okay, so dimension doesn't matter. You can increase the number of times also, or decrease number of times also, but I want to profile like this. It's okay in your final answers. Okay, the sweep diameter also doesn't matter. You can use your own dimension. So final profile, final answer should be like this. Okay, so that is the
Okay,
purpose
sir.
of sweep. Okay, yeah. With the help of sweep command also, you have to complete first question and second B also. Okay, so you draw only the dimensions. Okay, so dimension only you draw this profile. Then using sweep up like this is one pin. Okay, so this is a pin. This one lock. Okay, so lock will be the maybe used to. So that also you draw line diagram. Then you can use a sweep option. Draw the profile. Okay. So first two questions. So question number one, 2A and 2B. You have to use sweep command. It's okay. So like this, what I explained is same. You can use a sweep command. Okay. Then third and fourth question. So third question you have to use either shell command. Fourth question you have to use the loft command. Okay, first I'll explain the loft command, then I'll come back to shell. Okay. So the loft command, see there, we have some trapezism. Okay, so I have the trapezism, some way, pathway, believe. Because of this square is different dimension. Okay, 1 plus 1. So you can take it your is 100 or 10. Okay, you can take it dimension because one is not possible, so you can take it that ratio. You can take it. So scale you can assume your own. So we are taking some 100 content. So bottom will be 275, 275. In that, I am going using the profile. This one using the remove command. Okay, you have to use the remove command. You can remove it. Okay, simple. First, you draw this profile without this hollow position. Then you draw this profile. Then remove it. That is, you can use a subtract. Okay. So I'll draw this profile. I'll first explain the command. Okay. Then I'll come to this question. Or you can draw it your own. Okay, so I'll tell you some without some of my own dimensions. So the same symbol you can solve for this one as per the questions. Okay, like given 1 unit is 100 mm now, so you can like this. You can take it 100 cross 100. Okay, because in top view I am going to draw this profile everything. Okay, so better top view only I can able to see this square. Okay, so for that you can choose the view top. Any doubt when sweep command?
No, sir.
Understood now. Okay, I'll go to top view. So I'm going to draw some two rectangle. Okay, two square the dimensions. The dimension. So 100 and 100. Okay. Make sure both center points should be same. Remember, center point of both the square should be same. Because another your question is 275, 275 will come. Okay, so again, put a rectangle option. Center point is, or any later you can change it. Okay, no problem. Okay, drawing somewhere. See that? Is move command. Then dimension. So 275. The given is 275. Yeah, 2.5, 2.7, 2, so we can take it. Okay. Rectangle dimensions 275, 275. Okay, you draw. Okay. Now what are you going to do means I'm going to moving this anyone. Okay, whether it be this to here or this to here. Okay, so I'm better going to moving from smaller to bigger one. Okay, so you use the move command center. Both squares on the set should be same. Okay, you move command, select object, press enter. Is the center point. To the center point. Okay. Remember this in top view. Okay. See in your question what they given, have the distance. Okay, have the loft distance having to let me 200 maybe the height. Okay, but I did everything in a top view. This square 100 cross 100, then bottom square 100 275 cross 275. Okay, so you see in isometric view both squares are same. Okay, same surface. Okay, so this one. Now remember I'm going to using the loft command. Okay, so now maybe understand the purpose of loft command. So that will be available here. Just check it. So that will be create a 3D solids or surface in the space between the several cross sections. Here I did only two cross sections. Okay, you can do several cross sections that will be getting the different shape. Okay. See. So go to loft. Any order, okay, whether bottom to top or bottom to. Okay. So before going to lofting, okay, remember before going to lofting, you have to remove this to some height. Okay. So the height they given now. Height they given us 2. Okay, we can take it to okay, this top surface as well bottom surface distance is 2. That is 200 mm okay, in unit. Okay, so first you have to move the height. Okay, so before that I'm going to draw one line for my understanding. Just a straight line. How much?
200.
Yeah, 200. It is stuck. Loading. So you draw the line. Here take it is 200. Okay. Next, using moving this object. Okay, moving this object to this position. Okay. So using jump. Moving this end to this end. Okay. Now delete this one. Okay, yeah. So I draw the top and bottom profile in a question as well as this question. Okay, 100, 100, and 275, 275. Next, now I'm going to using the loft command. I'm going to draw this tapered one. Okay, because you cannot draw tapered. Okay, you cannot draw tapered line like this, but it will be going to be proper. Okay, so using the loft, any other bottom to top, top again choosing from bottom to. Okay, press enter. So like this will come. Okay. So this may be your profile. You may see. Okay. So like this will be there. Okay. But in addition, the question they given one pathway here. Okay. That is cut section. Okay. You have to use the separate command. Or the draw profile. So I draw my own dimension, but you draw with your dimensions as per the question. See that? I'm taking any friend view. Any friend view. Okay. No problem. Change into 2D. You draw that profile. Okay. As per the questions. Okay. So but I am drawing my own. on rectangle profile. Dimension and complete draw one line and they join. Okay, from the center point to some distance, height. Okay, I draw on some profile. Better draw some first some position, then I move into that. Okay. So my own dimension. Okay, remember I already mentioned dimension. Then again extrude. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, anyway, going to remove now, so you can do some any distance. Okay. Then move. Okay. Now see in 3D. Maybe like this. Anyway, I'm going to remove only now, so you can use the subtract. Subtract. First select the major object. Okay, which object which of your room. Okay, so select from here, press enter, then select this object, press enter. That's it. Like this you do for at your own dimensions. Okay, here, sorry, as per dimensions, okay, 1.5, then this height may be 100. Okay, height. Okay. So here you draw on this, again repeating this one. Okay, so this one is 150. So this height you can take it as a half, that is 100. Okay, so this here take it as a 100. Okay, so take it like this. I can tap our profile, you can write. That's it. Okay. Any doubt for this one? So the loft command not only for the drawing two squares. Okay, see there. Loft command not only for drawing only square. So I draw some different. I'm trying with some different. We also try your own. Okay. Okay. So like this, I did on some profile. Okay, so I'm going to explain same loft command. So better I can use some convenient only. So no worry about move. Move. Again move. Again moving is okay. See there. But this is axis same. Okay, axis same. You can draw some. I'll draw one more diagram for some distance. Okay, that also you can try it possible. Okay. See now I'm going to using the same loft command. Loft. So we are using order. Okay, from I am doing from bottom to top only. Okay, so select this one. Then next loft to from here. This one. Then again select this one. Then this one. Press enter. Okay. Any shape. Okay, any object as not only square. I did for your question they ask only squares. Okay. you can draw any object shape. Okay, not only the circle, not only that rectangle, you can draw pentagon, hexagon, polygon. Okay, whatever the can use it. Okay. So not only center axis, I'll draw one more diagram. Just know the commands. Okay, that will be helpful for whatever the question they given. You may easily draw. Okay. See, this I draw one circle. Similarly, I draw one more circle from here to here. Okay. Then I'm drawing one big circle. Also, okay, from small circle from here. Okay. I'm using some distance height using the move option. Some here distance to here. Again move option. Select this object. I'm moving some distance here. Okay. Remember this everything in the same axis, but here this is not the same axis. Okay, so this circle axis is different. This axis is different. Okay, but I'm using the same left command. It will be work. Okay, like this. It will work all objects. Okay, not only the same object, same axis, working on the all axis. Okay, so that is the purpose of loft. Any doubt for loft command?
No, sir.
Understood now. Okay, so now as of now we discussed two commands for this week. One is sweep, and the another one is loft. Okay, then last one more command is shell. Okay. So by using loft command, kindly complete this question. Question number 4. Okay, I already told the dimensions. You can take it into multiple with 100. That is 1 unit. Okay, here the given 1 means you take it 100. 2.75 means 275. Like this, you take it. Then draw this tangent. Okay, tapered profile. Extrude. Then using subtract option, we can remove this one. Okay. So this is the 4th question. Then second question A already told, so you can do it. Okay, so the third question you can use the shell command. Okay, so before drawing this diagram, so I'll explain what is the shell command, how to draw the shell. Okay. Okay, suppose I go and draw any profile. So I can draw a rectangle itself. The rectangle and drawing with some dimensions. Okay, rectangle. So dimensions 100 with this. I'm going to take it. Okay, I need one rectangle. Okay. Next, I'm going to using the extrude command. So then change it into semi-symmetric view. Extrude 100. Okay. So I'll remove that grid. Okay. So like this will be there. So here, suppose I'm going to remove one options from equally. Okay, equally means from this corner to here 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm each of them. That will be normal using taper offset. Same you can use it for here for drawing one profile. Okay, draw one rectangle profile, the next to remove. That is one option. Okay, but using shell command, we're going removing not up to full length. Remember, otherwise better I go and take one top. Okay, in the top I'm going to making one like a hole. Okay, hole up to bottom some distance. Okay, 10 mm. Okay, further using the shell. So understand this shell will be available here. Okay, or else the solids. Shell is enough. The solid option shell will be there. Select shell. Select 3D object. Okay, first I select again. See the command carefully. What I'm doing. Select shell. Okay, then asking object. So this is my 3D object. Just select. Now we're going to select automatically all the sides will be showing some colors changing. Okay, see like this will be. I'm going to moving means will be showing some color changing. Just select it. Now will be selected. Okay. Now they're asking the face from the After that, removing which face means I selecting the top. Automatically the top face will be remove the color. Then press enter. Now they're asking the distance. Okay, offset distance. Same offset come. Okay, from this end to how much? This end to how much? Similarly, this end to how much? This end to how much? Offset fully. Similarly from bottom also. Okay, so I'm taking as a 50, 50 given. Okay, 100 given. So I'm taking 10. Okay, 10. Enter. Now see, I will be removed. Okay, see. Getting what is the purpose of shell? See, initially I draw one rectangle profile. Okay, then extruder. So length, height of and amount. Now using the shell option. Okay, select the 3D object. Next, I am selecting the which face. Not only you can select this face also. Okay, but your question they given like this face. Okay, you can select this face also. The offset distance I giving as a 10, 10, 10. It will be correct taking as a same offset. Okay, from the edge, from the edge, from bottom also will be taking same 10 amount. Okay, see that. This also will be the 10. Okay, so that is the purpose of shell command. Okay, in your question they given simply, okay. Same. You are drawn rectangle profile. Okay, how to draw your question? That are this any view you can select, whatever you are convenient you can select any view. So if you draw the top view means better select 50 cross 60. If you are drawing this side front view means you can select 50 cross 40. Okay, so the cell distance they given again how much? 10 mm. Because of here to here how much they given? Cell distance you get after distance you get to give remember 5. Why a 5? Because of 40 total length. Okay, this is 30. Okay, remaining is 10. So the 10 will be here is 5, here is 5. Okay, similar here also total is 60. Okay, the distance we have to remove the material is 50. So remaining 10 is 10 here 5, here 5. Okay, now I given offset is 10, but in your case you have to give the 5 mm. Getting any doubt for drawing this one?
So in the height, to remove, how much we have to remove?
Height no need to remove. For I'm telling in the same option, fill option, we have to give only offset distance. Here for this question, offset distance you can take it as a 5 mm.
Okay,
Any one
sir.
side view. Okay. You will draw that question also. Very easy because some people will copy the same whatever teaching the class using this link video, same replicating. You just try. Okay, now I did one model like this. Okay, here I selected the top. Okay, here I selected the top. Same way you have to select the side, any one side. Okay, here select the top. But your question you have to select from this side. That's it. This will be a remove face. After selecting the shell
Sir,
option. Yes.
sir, can you once again repeat the shell procedure?
Okay, so now I'll draw some other profile. I'll explain. Okay, wait. Okay, so here they did a square, but the same. I'm going to using some different profile. Okay, so circle. So I'm going to draw one circle. I want dimensions. So better the dimensions better. Okay, because I still the offset distance you got to give now. So I'm giving radius 100. Okay, top. Then I'm going to change into some isometric view. Extrude this distance, some distance. Okay, I'm going to take it some 200. Okay, okay. Now I did one cylinder. Okay, I did one cylinder. I'm going to make a one hole on the inside. Okay, but not hole. Remember, not hole. Some hollow portion up to some distance here. Okay, so like cup. Okay, a cup or something you make it. So I'm going to remove some material from here. But normally using separate not weapon, that will be removing fully. Okay. How you draw the profile up to this distance, then you remove. That will be difficult. Okay, for that only you're using this. Simple. Okay, offset distance you have to give, that automatically remove. Okay, see. I'm repeating the same shell command. Go to shell. Okay, just read the command. It will be good. Guide you. Okay, select the 3D update. Okay, I'm going to selecting this 3D update. Then don't press enter. Okay, again it will be showing remove face. Okay, which face you want to remove? Okay, now select from the top. Only this face I want to remove. From the top, I'm going to make a one shell. Okay, so then press enter. Next, you have press the shell offset distance. Okay, now we're going to give initially I give diameter is how much I given 100 degrees I given. Okay, so anyway I give some 20. Okay, the next sheet. See there, it's not a hollow position, but this thickness 20. All surface thickness 20 as well as from the bottom height to the thickness is that will be also 20 up to this bottom profile. This profile is bottom. That will be a 20. Okay. Okay. So if you're seeing in the other with the edges. Okay, fine. Okay, so like this you do for your questions. Okay, question number 4. 3. 4 is left. Okay, 3 you have to use a cell command. Here I gave 20, previous question 10, but you for your question only 5 mm offset distance. So you try any one profile, any one view you can select, no problem. But this like this, I want the final answer. Okay, in layout also. Always no worry. Okay, so no need to worry about layout. So for this week, better you can take a snapshot. Okay, any doubt for trying these 3 comments? Loft, sweep, shell. Only these 3
So
command
the
only need.
second B option, the B question in the second question, second part. So I didn't understand the diagram.
Yeah, that I will come back. Okay, I will come back. I will explain first. This also maybe you're not understanding this era. Okay, so this maybe I'll explain that how to draw it method. Okay. So now the command only is simple. Okay, only main 3 commands only going to use it. Anyway, this also you have to use it for 3. Okay. So mainly for those who are drawing in the manual drafting. Okay, manual drafting. Question number 4, 5, 8 manually. So you have to draw the front view, top side. Okay, what I explained last week. Okay, orthogonal projection. Front view. In addition, here you can use that tangent radius. Okay. So first I'll explain orally, then I may one means I'll move to AutoCAD. I'll write. Okay, one more time. Okay, so 1 second, wait. How many people? Okay, for this question, same. You have to set the units, limits. Okay, this one. Okay, for this question, how to start? Okay, first you draw one line. Okay, draw one line. This, but better you can draw one profile line. Okay, so here first we understand the questions carefully. Okay, so here having one diameter, maybe you draw the circle option. You draw this profile, radius of 15. Then here one more circle. Okay, radius of 50. Then here one more circle will be coming, radius of 150. Then here one more circle will come, radius of 50. Okay, then here, okay, here one more circular radius, okay, or arc will be coming 30. Okay, 30. Then distance. Okay, so first you have to understand the diagram. First you have to take it clearly. Okay, how to start? Okay, from which point or which corner you have to start, that you have to understand, whether from here or here. Okay, that you have to understand clearly. Okay, so for that one, first you draw the length line. Okay, better you can draw the line length of much 150. Okay, you draw the length of 150 mm. Okay, so draw the first this line. Okay, 150 mm line is enough. So from this center point, better I first you draw this circle. Okay, for my convenience, draw this circle. Draw this line. Okay, 150 mm line. Okay, that is the first step. After drawing this line, okay, so draw the circle, the end. Okay, so how much radius is 15. Okay, draw the circle, radius of 15. Next, I'm going to draw the top circle. Okay, so distance is given. Remember, again repeating this. Oh, sorry. Okay, remember, first you draw this line, okay, line of 150 mm. Okay, first you draw one line, reference line. From this point to this point is 150 mm. Then draw the circle radius of 15. Okay, the next step is I'm going to draw this circle. Okay, now I'm going to draw this circle, but the circle center is some distance from this line, that is 20 mm. Okay, so from this point I'm going to draw circle of 20 mm height. Okay, so better first you draw the line height of 20 mm, make it this point. From this point draw a circle of radius of 150. Okay, so okay, wait, draw the circle radius of 15. Okay, same, that is the radius of 15. Okay, then next you draw the circle tan radius. Okay, so better I'll draw it. Okay, once otherwise you won't feel confused. Okay, so after drawing in this one, okay, this also you take it as a radius of same. Okay, so this circle only they have different. Okay, this arc will be radius 15, but the circle you can take it as the same radius of 15. Okay, again, okay, so first after drawing this point, draw this circle radius of 15. Then next you are going to draw the circle. Okay, so from this point, this line to this line. Okay, you draw the circle. Okay, I'll draw once more. Okay, I'll draw it once in Nataka. Okay, that will be helpful. Okay. Same position, so no problem. So any view, but again, like selecting the front view. Okay, no problem. Okay, so go to option. Okay, again, see, kindly listen carefully. Okay, this may be important for drawing the position. First, you have to understand the diagram clearly. So, diagram I given. There is two circular draw first. Okay, first you have to draw the line length of 150. Okay. Next, what I told you, from here you can draw one circle, radius of 15. Okay, so draw the circle. Radius is 15. Okay. The next, I want to draw one more circle from here. Okay, one more circle from here. Further, you can draw one line length of 20. Okay. Okay. Actually, from here also you can draw one circle, radius of same 15 and 26. Okay, 15. Okay. Next, in your question, I'll share the question also. Okay, first you draw this line 150 mm, draw the circle, radius of 15, then from here to here is 20, and draw one more circle. Okay, so draw circle, same. Okay, the pin is also same. Okay, imagine, here they given 15. Okay, why you are drawing 50 mm means, okay, here they given us 15. Okay, so you draw the radius of 15, the circle. Okay, next using tan, I'll draw it, first I'll explain, then I'll explain at least this part. Okay, then I'll apply, that'll be easy. Okay, the next you select that tan radius. So tangent to this circle, I did on 15 radius, tangent to this circle as well, tangent to this line, draw a circle of 150 mm radius. Okay, similarly for this circle to this line, 50 mm. Okay, next, after drawing the two circle, tangent to that circle, you draw the radius of 150. Okay, so I'll draw that one. Okay, so this do it now. So the next you draw circle again, 50 mm radius. Because the question they given us 50. Okay, this is 50, this is 50. So you draw 50 mm radius in outer circle now. So you draw same, but tan radius, tangent and radius. Okay, so tangent to that circle, tangent to that line, you're going to draw the circle radius of 50. Okay, so select this one, select this circle, then select this line, then give radius is 50. Okay, similarly do for this side also. Okay, this side also given as a 50 mm radius. Okay, so I'll draw this one later. Okay, first we draw this radius 150 mm, this radius 50 mm. Okay, so this will be tangent to this circle as well, tangent to this line. Okay, because of the circle line, further you can draw the again same tan radius. Okay, select this circle, select this circle, radius is 150. That will be opposite line. Okay, it will be coming opposite. Okay, we'll come back in minutes.
Sir, draw from the upper
Yeah.
intersection.
Yes, yes. Okay, I got it. Okay, normally you are selected from inner surface. Okay, inner surface to that portion. Normally you have to select it. Okay, wait, I'll share it. Forgot to share. Okay, up to now, any doubt for this one?
No, sir.
Okay, so again repeating, you draw the line length of 150 mm. Okay, draw the circle radius of 15. Then take this line length, take 20 mm, draw the circle again 15 mm radius. Okay, that is first. Next, using the tan radius, select this circle and select this line. Then radius is 50. Maybe get this circle. Okay. Next, again same tan radius. Select this circle. Select this line. Radius is 50. Maybe get the circle. Okay. After this, same tan radius. Okay. Don't select it here. Okay. So don't select inside. Okay. So better select from this point, from this area, any one point, as well as from this area, any one point. Okay. Because of this two is larger enough. So select here. Now give 150. Okay. You make a circle like this. You'll be getting confused only, but draw slowly. Okay. Then, as per your question, okay. So the top profile, what are the not required that you can remove it. Okay, using the trim command. Okay, see that TR double ender. I don't want this one, but first remove this one. So this also I don't want. So this also not required. Not required. Not required this one. Only this also not required. Okay. Then go to question. Then this profile like this. Okay. Then this is also not required. Not, this is also not required. Zoom in. See your questions. Removing. Okay. This is also not required. This is not required. Then okay. So this also will be not required. Not required. Oh, yeah, delete. Okay. Now see. Okay. Wait, later you can remove it. No problem. Okay. So now somewhat I got it. This top profile. Correct. This profile I got it from here. Okay. Next I'm going to draw the bottom. Okay. Next I'm going to draw the bottom. Okay. Let draw it once. So they'll come back. Okay. Yeah.
हाँ ऐसे करके अब लगाओ।
Okay. Okay.
हटो हटो लगाए हटो चलो उस रूम में चलो।
Java.
SSD या
Within the Java, kindly mute pa.
SSD या हेडफोन हट में जाओ ना नहीं लागे छे। हाँ लग
Java.
ये उसमें लगेगा।
Mritunjay, sorry, what is the name is? Yeah, okay.
Mrityunjay.
Okay, fine. Is that okay? So up to now, okay, people understood. Okay, again repeating same. See that start end radius. Select from top, bottom to top. Okay, select this point. Select the center point. The radius is here to give 30. Okay, so it was raining here. Wait, maybe the sound is raining. Okay, kindly wait 1 minute. I'll close the window. Okay, radius is 30 plus center. Okay. Then you can use the trim option. First delete this one. So delete this one. Okay, so here also I want to trim. Okay, for the question. Command see that tr double enter. I don't want this line. Okay. Then see the question. Okay, so going. Okay, then okay. This also I don't want. Okay. Now delete this line. Okay, see there. Okay, but this curve we have to get. We have to get. Okay, for that you use the fillet option. Okay, option is FILL. Fillet. Radius we have to give. So I'm going to give radius 10. Okay, 10 mm. Enter. Select this one and select this one. We make it at this one. Now, see. Okay, perfect. Okay, like this. Very done. So that's why I told first we have to understand the concept, how to start and where to end. Okay. Now if you want to join together, join, single object, enter. So now will be in 2D. Okay, suppose I am going to convert it into 3D means, okay, you can use some tool as sweep. Okay, sweep. So I draw my own.
So there is a line below the arc, no?
Which are this line?
Yes, sir.
This is not dimensions line. This is
Okay.
our profile is from start from here. This is our profile.
Okay, okay, sir.
So this line is for dimensions. This line is for dimensions. Okay. Then use the sweep. So you can use your own dimensions. I'm going to take some this much amount. Okay, then you know how to sweep. Sweep. Select this object. Enter. This is a part like this. Okay. Like this. You have to draw. Okay. So for understanding, you have to draw this profile. Okay. In I'm explaining for assignment submission. So this is one screenshot. Okay, same way you can copy this one. Okay, without the script. Okay, see there. You can take one screenshot of this one. Okay, again repeating. Take screenshot of this one. Your registration number, all I know already. Okay, so with your date, time, here maybe mail ID will come. Okay, so all the things you can take one screenshot. Okay, for this one, question number one, I'm saying. Question number one, like this, all dimensions, not only this one, but all dimensions. Okay, whatever the given dimension the questions. Okay. Based on window, you can choose it. Okay, then
So we have to take the screenshot only in 2D.
both. That's what I explained. So like this, you take one screenshot. Okay, so all with all dimensions. Now I did only a few dimensions. See, better I draw one dimension better. Radius 15. Not this one. This one radius 50. Select here 150. Then this 20 mm height. What like similar to your this questions? Okay. Here too. Suppose if the center point is not there, means you know that options now. Question of setting. Everything's there. Okay, select all. 3D version of setting also is better. Okay, select all. This is 3D, now just click OK. Now give dimension. Center point will be some other. So it's better you can select this center. Okay, select this. Here to 20. Okay, so like what are the questions visible here? Then 48 means from here to this distance. Okay, so it will be 48. Easy. Okay, so whenever complete time means will be coming easy. Okay. Then this radius you want me, you can give 15. Not align the radius. Okay. So that's maximum I given. As per this one, I drawn everything in my window. Okay. So from this, here write your registration number. You can know registration number. Where is the text?
This call is now being recorded.
You already recorded only now. Who is again recording? Okay. Text. Okay. So write RA. RA2 under some whatever number. Okay, number and your name. Okay, write name. Okay, so from this you can take one screenshot. Okay, you can use color also. That your wish. You can whatever you can use. This is also sufficient. Okay, see as per the question I did this one. In addition, after drawing everything. Okay, after drawing everything, after taking screenshot, do sweep. Radius you can use. You can no problem. Okay, so like this. Or in the 3D also can take a sweep. Okay, if you want to take it 2 times, you can take it 2 times, or else in the 3D position, like this position also, 3D image also, you can take it one screenshot. It's okay. I want all dimensions should be visible. Okay, in your question paper. Okay, similarly, for this question also. This question you can try, okay. Anyway, try. Anyway, if you have doubt means I'll teach my, now the time 10:30, I'll teach in the lab class. Okay, so for others, you can try. Same, you can draw, start from any one corner. Here, how to explain means, because you draw this 75 line, okay, 75 line. From the 75, you can draw the 2 circle. This one is how much? 30. This is 43. Okay, draw the diameter of 43 and the 30 circle. So then similarly, okay, well, there will be can room option. You can room it from this off. That's it now. What is the difficulty here? Catasari.
Sir, I got it now.
Okay, simple. You can start. Okay, 75 is there means okay from here to here 75. Okay, for this profile they didn't do dimension. Better you can take it this profile 43. Okay, so here also draw one semicircle. Draw one circle, then trim it off. Okay, similarly for draw here 2 circle, trim it off. Then draw the line 50 on. That's it. Easy only. Okay, so try. All people. Right. Okay, so like this, I want same image in AutoCAD. Yes.
Sir, what is the radius of semicircle that below in second question, second part?
That's why I told now you can take it this one. Better you can take it the smaller one because of this sum is same now. Or your own dimension. Already the question is clearly given. Complete the following models using AutoCAD. Assume suitable dimension whenever necessary. You can use it 43 or 30 or in between 43 30 also you can use it. But I want like this profile. See, if you're getting doubt means first you have to understand. See that they're giving twist. See, this is how much. This is how much? 30. Correct?
40.
Outer surface how much?
43.
The normal what will be in between? So 43 minus 30 will be coming 13 divided by 2. How much? 6.5.
7.5. 6.5.
13 means divided by 2 is 6.5. 6.5. This 6.5. Okay. Now we know how much this is.
30
plus how much? 6.5.
0.5.
Total how much? 36.5.
36.5.
So this diameter should be 36 point. But remember that will be joining with the same point. Getting what I'm saying? You try, you can try. Everything if I explain means okay, maybe you will get a copy from my answers only. Okay, so just think it and try. I explain the method, concept. I give hints also. So you just imagine and try. Okay, so you have to here 43, 30. here explain the 6.5, 6 will be, okay, so here leave it this 6.5, okay, but here this distance, okay, this distance will be 30 plus 6.5, 36.5, okay, so according to that you can find the center point here, okay, so you draw one line up to 36.5 from center point, draw the circle, semicircle, how much diameter is 36.5, that will be intersecting here, then trim it. Okay, and take attendance. Some people are maybe going to leave. Wait. You try, okay, you try this one easy only. Okay, first you have to understand the diagram clearly, then try again. After that, you can use the speed command. Okay. Again, repeating the attendance percentage, many people are having less. Okay, I already reported to your class in charge also. Shubham and so this is up to this is only showing only theory class. Okay, I taken from my ERP only theory class. These people. Okay, so these people having less than this including theory and lab. Okay, this 7 people more than 75. Okay, this is overall, but this two Shubham and Sri Krishna Prakash. Okay, your attendance percentage is very less. In Shubham, you didn't attend the single theory class. Okay, we completed with the help of friends' help. Okay, no problem. But attendance is mandatory, not only for Shubham, all the people. Attendance is mandatory. Kindly see, these people are already maintaining the 100% attendance. Okay, in theory class, there is first class. Okay, you have mentioned the lab also. So this only for theory. So this including theory and lab. Okay, so attendance will be calculated including theory and lab. Okay, as per your ERP. Okay, so kindly attend all the class without pay. Okay, tell your attendance.
Present.
Wait. Okay, but next. No, next. Fazin.
Present, sir.
51 present.
Okay, but next. Okay, mark
Sir,
absent.
present, sir. 52, Fazim present, sir.
Okay, 53. Adnan, what happened by anyone, any of your friend? Adan. I'll inform him, we already having less than powder only, 77. Like this means we will getting detained. Okay, so next.
54 present, sir.
Next.
54 present.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
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 Present, sir.
Okay, next. Shoyam.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Shubham. It's only amazing. Yeah, medical leave. Anyway, don't miss the class.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. You texted. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, wait. Up to 74. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
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 Okay, next. Kushav. One more. Okay.
Present, sir.
Okay. Next.
Present, sir.
Okay. One. Next. Ashutosh. Okay, Shantanu.
Present, sir.
Next. Afan.
Present, sir.
Okay. Nikhil written. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. 92. Krishna Prakash. Kindly inform that friends when you know about Krishna Prakash, kindly inform you. Attendance very less. Okay, Arushi. Arushi. Next.
Present, sir.
Next.
Present, sir.
Next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Mukundan.